here's how the system goes. Wander down to a little stretch of water, any water, whether it's a little water feature in a park or a stream, or even a canal, or the river, or the harbour. Just go to a place where there's water, and at some stage of the game while you're there, you're going to say, oh, right? Or you're just going to say, oh, okay. Now, it just so happens that the three letters of oh spell Adopt A Waterway, right? And you can put an exclamation after that. Now, at the EcoReef Project, we are absolutely focused on water. Water is precious. It is just beautiful. And if we can get enough people to adopt a waterway, we can really, we believe, change the status quo. We're in an area now. We've got global warming. The era of doubters has gone. Even the most ardent weather doubters have come to accept the fact that we have global warming. That makes water even more precious, and we've got to somehow make it as natural as it possibly can be to love water, to nurture it, and to continue to cherish this incredible thing that we've been given as creatures on this planet. So if we, each one of us, adopts a waterway, it doesn't matter what it is, just go, it could be a little patch about this far, just a tiny little patch of a stream or whatever, that's yours, right? You don't have to put a banner over it, that's yours, in your soul, that's yours. You adopt it, and you love it, and you cherish it, and you start looking after it. So when you get down there, if there's a whole heap of rubbish that's been tossed on it, don't blame anyone. That's non-productive. Just pick it up, put it in a bin or something, get rid of it, and start appreciating the fact that you can do something with that waterway, and you can make it a little bit bigger or whatever it is, and you can make sure that little patch of waterway is yours and it's looked after. Now, there are other things you can do besides just looking after it. You can, when you find that there is a pollution problem, there are always authorities that are in charge of that pollution and the control of that pollution. So it's up to you then, as a custodian of your doctor of your little patch of water, to make sure that you can then contact whoever it is who controls that and start communicating with them, so that between you and that authority, you've got you're liaising and starting to make sure that the pollutants that go into that little waterway are being controlled. Now, within that waterway, there are microorganisms. We know that, until, of course, the pollution is that strong that nothing can live in it. Now, water has a habit of actually cleansing itself by filtering itself in through sand and through plants. And we've got a zillion ways to do that. So please, when you're going through this, go through the EcoReef videos and websites and projects that we've got working in there, and we show you how to filter water. So we can filter water very, very effectively without spending $1 zillion, without spending anything. In fact, we can filter that water. So let's just we're still working on your patch of water, right? So you are now controlling the fact that if there's pollution coming in, you actually have a say. That's you have a power. You have the power to go to them and say, well, hey, we've got a problem here, let's fix it. And it can be fixed. You can do it, right? So let's just say now you're starting to control the rubbish, the pollution that's coming into that waterway, and you're now this. You're actually you're communicating with an authority that had, in most cases, a lot of enemies, and the friends that they have could be for intrinsic reasons, right? So let's just say now you've established a thing where your only benefit is that beautiful patch of water that's yours. Okay, so now you're starting to do that. Your patch of water is good now, and in that patch are these microorganisms, and the microorganisms engender life. So that your life streams are increasing in that waterway. You're starting to see other little creatures in that waterway, like tiny little fish, like crustaceans, like crabs, like the yabbies or whatever, tiny little creatures that are starting to happen in that waterway, and it just it makes you go, oh wow, the excitement with seeing a tiny little fish that wasn't there before is mind blowing. Right? I promise you, go try it. Just sit there and watch it for a while. Now, you're already having an effect right now. What, by you doing this, and I don't mean go out and preach, it doesn't work, but you'll have other people who will ask you, what the heck you're doing? What are you doing? Why are you suddenly so relaxed, right? Why? And, just by default, you're going to tell them, right? And that spreads the word, and your little waterway now has another way connecting with it, and after a little while, it's the degrees of separation. You'll find someone else further up the track who is going to start looking after their piece of water, and so on and so forth. And suddenly, you're having a much bigger effect than you could have imagined. And that little patch of waterway, that little piece of heaven that you've actually adopted, is now expanding. A lot more people are enjoying it. The water is improving. That water is coming from further upstream, which is now getting filtered by someone who's starting to learn from your example. Further on down into the river and into the sea, you're starting to get a cleaner run of water. Now, that you'd be surprised how quickly that actually happens. And you're starting to work. You're starting to think that the stuff that you're pouring into your sink or into your lawn or into your gutter or as you wash your car, that says on the top of it is biodegradable, you're starting to question that. You're saying, when, how long does biodegradable take to biodegrade? Is it before or after it affects your little patch of water? Those are the questions that will start coming up. You'll start questioning it. You'll start working with the authorities. You'll start breaking this incredible stranglehold that chemicals have on our way of life. We don't need the level of chemical input into your waterway, your little patch of water that you adopted. You're now a part of the Adopt A Waterway system. You can go in there and you can say, oh, and it's yours. Please trust